Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to understand about how to use the factory function in the JS. So here you can see that we have used the one function along with the we have provided three arguments: name, type, and weapon. And here you can see that we have returning the object with provided properties like name, type, weapon, and some of the additional method we have written like a say and attack method. After that, you can see that we have creating the object from the function itself, and inside the function we have provided the three arguments like lobby, house, and cloth. And once again we have same thing we have repeated with the Legolas object. And here you can see that we have actually calling the method from the object and log the message. So let's see what should be the output of this console log. So here you can see that uh, say method, it will return this string along with the provided arguments, and attack methods, it will return the this string with the provided arguments. Factory function offer the more flexibility than the constructor because they can contain the logic to customize the object creation process, and they can return the different object based on the certain condition. And additionally, they do not rely on the new keyword. So here it will basically returning the new object when we created from the function. So this will making them more straightforward to use and less error prone.